চিনু দত্তগুপ্ত মেমোরিয়াল ফাউন্ডেশনের আয়োজনে কলকাতা সেন্টার ফর ক্রিয়েটিভিটিতে 3 দিনের নেচার অ্যান্ড ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ ফেস্টিভ্যাল অনুষ্ঠিত হলো। 3 দিনব্যাপী এই অনুষ্ঠানে ব্যবস্থাপনা ও তত্ত্বাবধানে ছিলেন ডক্টর প্রসন্ন এভি। পূর্ব ভারতের এই বৃহৎ প্রদর্শনীতে ফিল্ম স্ক্রিনিং, বন্যপ্রাণী চলচ্চিত্র নির্মাণের মাস্টার ক্লাস থেকে শুরু করে বন্যপ্রাণী সংরক্ষণ এরকম নানা বিষয় ছিল। উৎসবের শেষ দিনে বন্যপ্রাণীদের ওপর আলোকিত প্রদর্শনী ও পুরস্কার বিতরণী অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করা হয়।
Pleased to be here to meet all the like-minded people, and I was actually listening to all the talks here. It was such a mind-blowing. This competition is being initiated by Meg and Dr. Prasanna. I really actually appreciate. They both are photographers, and usually photographers, they limit themselves taking pictures, just end up with social media or an award. But they are actually taking it literally out of the box. They are putting together all the people around and showing different frames around the world, and also sharing actually what is happening around us. These are the things which as a conservation or actually photographer can actually do something towards actually saving our earth from the way how it is getting destroyed. I really love the event.
Hello, this is Meg Roy Chaudhary. I am the organizing chairperson of Wild Sojourns Nature Awards and Festival. I am also the chief trustee of Chinu Dattagupta Memorial Foundation, which is presenting this award. This Wild Sojourns Nature Award is the one of the biggest awards in Asia and in the world actually, with a prize money of more than 15 lakh rupees, and means 15 lakhs plus 1 lakh we are giving to the nature warriors. The total prize money is 16 lakh rupees, which is biggest in India actually. At the same time, this festival is first of its kind in Eastern India. This wildlife and nature festival of this status has not happened. So people from all over the world, more than 550 entries and more than 20,000 images came in our competition all over the world from 57 countries. And who's of the world has participated, and if you can see the images, you will understand that it is not this competition is not a joke. It's a serious and very serious competition, and it is going to be bigger in the next year. We are thinking bigger in next year, and many people from all over India have come. One of the greatest photographers of wildlife, Mr. Thomas Vijayan, has come, Dr. Anish Anderia has come, Shivang Mehta, many what to name, so many people are there. So many friends of mine have come from all over India and abroad to attend this festival in Kolkata. So it was my challenge to do it in Kolkata, because everybody was telling me not to do it in Kolkata, that Kolkata doesn't have this type of things and they don't understand this type of things. I don't know why. So I became very adamant about it that I will do it in Kolkata only, because I had the provisions of doing it in Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi, but I really wanted to do it in Kolkata because I wanted to gift Kolkata something to celebrate nature, celebrate conservation, and celebrate the human-animal relationship, to celebrate wildlife. So that's all for me. All of your support, your blessings are required, so that next year we can also do it in a bigger way, and it will be reaching to the world. Already it is reaching to the world. So already Kolkata has come into the map of the wildlife festivals. So it is a great honor for us, and I am very thankful to all of you for support.